Hello everyone, my name is Sarika Dua and I am from India. I am currently working as a mathematics and technology teacher at Futura International School, Bergtorp. It's a middle school in Sweden. Our school hosts students from ages 11 to 16 years old. I've been teaching for almost 20 years, and what keeps me motivated is the curiosity and the creativity of my students. The title of my learning scenario is Exploring Soil. It's a journey across STEM. I chose this topic because while students are often tech savvy and they are immersed in videos and social medias, they have very limited knowledge about soil. This scenario integrates maths, chemistry, physics, and biology. The starting point of my creating my learning scenario was identified as a local challenge related to soil health. I began by brainstorming ways to make this topic both meaningful and interactive for my students. To achieve this, we utilized our school garden, allowing students to observe soil quality firsthand, gather earthworms, and engage in planting activities. This hands-on approach not only deepened their understanding of soil health, but also encourage them to propose practical improvements for sustainable practices. In this learning scenario, I wanted students to see how soil health affects the food we eat. Many don't realize that without healthy soil, we cannot grow enough food. I also focused on how we can improve soil quality and prevent erosion. Collaborating with another teacher was not difficult, but it did require good communication and planning. My tip for successful collaboration is to ensure clear roles and share objective. It's also important that the schedule regular check-ins to align your approaches and make adjustments as needed. In this scenario, I combine indoor and outdoor activities by starting with classroom discussions and research, and then moving outdoors to do hands-on experiments like we collected soil sampling and testing. Time was our biggest constraint. Gathering material also posed challenge, particularly for outdoor activities. While students were excited to dig up earthworm, they refused to place them in sand and clay for observation because they knew the worms would not survive in those conditions. My advice is to make the topic relevant to students' life. Collaborate with colleagues to bring in interdisciplinary perspectives and use hands-on activities to make your learning experience engaging. Remember to adapt based on students' need, as flexibility is the key to the success. Thank you all for listening, and I hope this inspires you to create your own impactful learning scenario.